All right, let's talk about the math for this week. So you're facing math this week is lesson 3, adding and subtracting fractions. So when we're adding and subtracting fractions, our numerator is the above the line or the top number. It's how many parts we have. And the denominator is the number below the line, and it's how many equal parts the item is divided into. And the important word to remember here is equal. So the first part of this is very simple. When you're adding fractions, the denominator is going to be the same. That's the only way that you can add them. The numerator will be different. So this is never going to change. Your bottom numbers are not going to change, and you are not going to add them together. You're only adding the top numbers. So for example, 1/3 plus 1/3 is going to equal 2/3, because I am not going to add my bottom numbers. And then it gives you your answers here. You can either pick 2/3 or 2/6, and we know it's not going to be B because we're not going to add our bottom numbers. We are only adding the top. So when you're adding fractions, you are only adding the top. If you notice in all these problems, the denominator is the same and it's going to stay the same. So for example, let's do another one. 2/4 plus 1/4. Well, 2 plus 1 is 3. And we're not adding 4 plus 4. We're going to leave that number the same, because that's how many equal parts we have. We don't make more equal parts when we're adding. So it's going to be 3/4. So I know that answer is here, 3/4. So when you're adding fractions, the denominator stays the same. So that's the whole first page. So remember, the denominator stays the same.